Hello guys, Joe Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. May is National Burger Month, and today I'm making my favorite cheeseburger. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So what we have here is 3 pounds of hamburger, and I've got some ingredients here, some rubs that I'm going to use from Victory Lane Barbecue. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic jalapeno, seasonal, just like that. 1 tablespoon of the beef rub. I know it looks like a lot, guys, but this is 3 pounds. It's going to make a lot of burgers. And then half a tablespoon of their all-purpose rub. Just like that. Okay? And that's all. Actually, I'm going to put because these rubs aren't very salty, guys, I'm just going to put a couple pinches of salt. Just like that. So I'm going to mix this up together, or mix this together, and we'll be back. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. So I've got the rub completely mixed into the ground beef, and I'm using 80-20 ground beef. I want the burgers to be nice and juicy, and I'm going to stuff these with some cheese as well. So what I'm going to do next is just separate some of the hamburger meat. And I actually put this in the freezer, guys, because I like my ground beef nice and cold. So I want to separate this into different sections here. Probably maybe half pound, not quite half pound. So I'm going to see how many of these I can make, and then what we're going to do is should be able to make about 6 of these or so. Try to make them all the same size. If not, it's okay. Burgers don't have to be perfect. You don't want to handle it too much, guys, because you don't want to start breaking down the fat in the ground beef either. So, yeah, 6, perfect. All right. So the next thing that I want to do, guys, is I'm going to stuff these with cheese. I've got some fresh mozzarella here, and I've got some cheddar cheese. So to make the pocket for these, let me move these out of the way here. I'm just going to kind of make a little basket, if you will. Just like that. You guys can see this here. Just like that. And this one I'm actually going to put some mozzarella in it. Fresh mozzarella at that. So go ahead and put it in the middle. Push it down, and then use the meat on the top to put on top of the mozzarella. Just like that. And completely hide that mozzarella cheese. If you have to borrow some meat from the other side, go ahead and do that. But you want that mozzarella completely covered in that meat patty. So there you go. So at this point, go ahead and smash it down. Try to seal that meat so that the cheese doesn't ooze out. Just like that. So I'm going to make the rest of these, guys. Again, half of these will be with cheddar cheese, and half of these will be with some mozzarella cheese. So we'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. So my patties are ready for my cheese stuffed bacon guacamole burgers. And as I mentioned, there is guacamole in this hamburger. So I've got a fresh avocado here. I'm going to make this real quick. I am going to be smoking these in my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker using my grill grates. And I will crank that temperature up in that smoker to 500 degrees. Good luck if you don't have a Yoder. Just turn it up as high as you can. But these Yoders can take 500 degrees like it's a walk in the park. So just taking the avocado out of this shell here. Get it all out. And I've got some ingredients here. I've got half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of salt that goes in there. I've got a minced onion, some chopped up tomatoes, and some serrano peppers. And the reason I chose serrano peppers is because they are a little bit hotter than jalapeno. Okay? And a little bit of garlic as well, fresh garlic that I minced up. So real simple process, guys. Just mix this stuff up. And I'm going to put this in the fridge to get nice and cool. So we can put this on top of the burgers. I am going to fry up some bacon as well to put in this hamburger. I've got some lettuce, some onions, and some tomatoes that I'm going to use in the hamburger as well, as well as some Kaiser rolls that I'm going to use as my hamburger buns. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, and we'll see you guys outside of the smoker. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're outside at the smoker, and I've got the temperature set at 500. It's actually just at 240 degrees or so. I'm going to show you my setup here. I do have the 3 grill grates there, and I'm going to let those things get extremely hot. But look at that flame on that, guys. This is how versatile this Yoder smoker is. And these burgers are going to cook nicely. It's going to leave some nice sear marks from the grill grates. So I'm going to let this warm up, guys, to probably another 15-20 minutes, and we'll be back. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're back, and my temperature is already at 500 degrees. So I'm going to cook 3 at a time here, guys. Let's put my first one down here. Actually, I want to do 4 of them at a time here, so I got enough room. Isn't that a beautiful sight right there? So I'm going to let it cook for 2 minutes on each side, guys. And I want these about a medium. So we'll see you guys inside, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so the burger patties are ready, and I am ready to put this burger together. So I've got a Kaiser roll here, and I'm going to put a little bit of mayo on the top and the bottom. Just a little bit. I love these buns because they have the cornmeal on top. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and get my lettuce. Look at these giant tomatoes, guys. I just need 1 of these. Get some onions. You guys like onions in your burgers? And then the star of the show. Guys, these burgers look amazing. Look at that. Look at those cross hatches. Still really juicy. So put my burger on top of that. Just like that. And then my homemade guac. Just like that. Oh yeah, we need some more guac. Oh yeah. Then some crispy bacon. Oh yeah. Get in there. Looks amazing, guys. Look at that burger right there. Tell me that does not look yummy. So I'm gonna back the camera up, guys, and we're gonna give this a taste. Stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. So the burger is put together here, and we gotta cut it. Unfortunately, it's a beautiful hamburger, guys. Bacon, guacamole, the meat patty that was smoked in the Yoder YS640, stuffed with mozzarella cheese. Got my onion, my tomato, my lettuce, the mayo. Oh, this burger looks insane, guys. So let's cut into it here. See what we look like. Oh, we lost a piece of bacon. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. This is money. So let's give this a taste here, guys. Big burger. That cheese in the middle is nice and melted. Here we go. Man, that hamburger is so tasty, guys. The guacamole is spicy because of the serrano peppers. Really good tasting hamburger. This is my favorite hamburger to cook, guys. Cook up a burger, celebrate National Burger Month. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Ask any questions. Until next time, Joe, Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. See you guys.